If single ka ngayon at naghahanap ka ng kasama sa buhay, mare-recommend talaga namin ang Christian Filipina na dating service.
Hello.
What do you know about Christian Filipina?
I know that it's a dating service and that they have like advisors that you can ask for advice about building a long-term relationship or something like that.
Yes. If you have romantic concerns or other problems about the dating service itself, they can help you. May paganyan sila sa Christian Filipina. And regardless of your denomination, kung ano man ang belief mo, welcome na welcome ka sa Christian Filipina dahil napaka-friendly ng dating service na to. Hindi siya katulad sa ibang mga na-try nyo na before kasi nga dating service siya. May mapagtatanungan kayo if you have concerns about sa dating service itself or sa mga romantic concerns ninyo. So, if your answer is yes, single kayo ngayon and gusto nyong mahanap ang partner ninyo, baka naman nasa dating service siya na Christian Filipina, please sign up gamit ang link na nasa description box or i-click ninyo yung nasa comment section, yung nakapin dyan na link ng Christian Filipina, mag-sign up na kayo and itry nyo na ang Christian Filipina na dating service.